Dear students, welcome to everyone to my online English class. I am Mustafizur Rahman Selim, Assistant English Teacher, Kathalia Union High School, Kathalia, Norsindi. Dear students, I hope all of you are safe and sound. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Okay, dear students, today I come with you another topic. This is transformation of sentence. You know, the fields or range of transformation of sentence are too large. So, dear students, today I am only discuss about a particular sentence, how to convert assertive sentence to exclamatory sentence. Okay, dear students, today my topic or lessons about how to convert from assertive sentence to exclamatory sentence. Okay, dear students, here exclamatory sentence, I know you all know that the characteristics or symbol of sign of exclamatory sentence. Dear students, the exclamatory sentence is such kind of sentence that express the feelings of mind or emotion joyfully or pathetically. This kind of sentence is called exclamatory sentence. Okay, dear students, I hope you can understand what is exclamatory sentence and its characteristics. Okay, dear students, follow here the common sign or symbol of exclamatory sentence. Okay, dear students, what a or pattern, how, alas, hello, hi, harsh, hurrah, bravo. Okay, dear students, if you notice any sentence this kind of symbol, you will be sure that this sentence is exclamatory sentence. Okay, dear students, I have to say another important thing that at the end of this kind of sentence there will be seen note of exclamation. Okay, dear students, note of exclamation, this is okay. Dear students, you know what is note of exclamation. Okay, dear students, to convert assertive sentence to exclamatory sentence, you have to know, we have to learn some rules. Okay, dear students, if you know the rules, you can easily exchange. Okay, you can easily convert or change assertive sentence to exclamatory sentence. Okay, dear students, look at here. Here there are three rules for exclamatory sentence. Rule 1, very, for very, we have to write how, then adjective or adverb, subject, verb. At the end of sentence, we must put note of exclamation. Rule 2, a very, a great, all of this word or sentence we should delete or omit from the sentence. Then in place of these words we have to write down this a very, a great. For this we have to write for a or an, and the same rule. If the sentence consists of or start with I wish, in this regard, in place of I wish we have to write if, had, would at the beginning of the sentence. Okay, dear students, to clarify this, I am going to write some sentence so that you can understand how to convert assertive sentence to exclamatory sentence easily. Okay, dear students, let's start. I am giving some example so that we can clarify about this fact. Okay, according to the rule 1. Okay, dear students, rule 1, I am writing a sentence. she is very lovely. Okay, dear students, here this sentence is assertive sentence. Now I convert it into exclamatory sentence. Here very. Okay, dear students, according to the structure, we must put here at the beginning of the sentence how. Okay, how. Here very will be omit or deleted. Then adjective or adverb. Here lovely. Okay, how lovely. Then subject. Here subject she. Okay, dear students. Then verb. Here verb is. At the end of the sentence, we must put note of exclamation. Okay, dear students, I hope you can easily understand the first rule. Okay, dear students, here another example. Okay, dear students, I was very glad. Okay, dear students, this statement is affirmative or assertive sentence. Dear students, here very. Okay, so at first I have to write how. Okay, dear students, how. Then I should write according to the rule glad. Glad adjective, how glad. Then I should put subject. Here subject I. How glad I was. Here was verb. At the end of the statement, I must put here note of exclamation. Okay, dear students, I hope you can understand the rule of one. Okay, dear students, now I am coming to the next. Okay, next structure 2. Dear students, now I am coming to the rule 2. I am discussing about this fact. Okay, dear students, follow this sentence here. Cricket, CRICCET, cricket is a very exciting game. Okay, dear students, follow this sentence carefully because this sentence is very troublesome. Okay, here this sentence there is 2 parts. One, cricket, it is subject, and another parts of the sentence is predicate. If there is noun at the end of the predicate, in this regard we have to use what. Okay, dear students, what. Okay, here a very, this word will be omitted or deleted. Okay, dear students, now exciting, here E. This is vowel, so we have to write here what N. What N. Then according to the rule, have to write adjective. Here exciting. Exciting game. Then subject cricket is. Okay, here at the end of the sentence I put here note of exclamation. Okay, dear students, another same example here. He is a very nice man. Nice man. Okay, dear students, this sentence is assertive. Now I convert it into according to the rules. Here a berry. So we have to write at the beginning of the sentence what. Okay, here nice and consonant, so we have to write here a. Okay, then adjective nice. How nice? Man, subject he. Then I should write verb. Here verb is. At the end of the statement I put here note of exclamation. Okay, dear students, I hope you can understand this kind of rule. Another example, see, you are a grateful. Grateful. Okay, dear students, this statement is assertive sentence. Now I convert it into exclamatory sentence. So here a great will be delete or omit. In place of it, at the beginning of the sentence we have to write what. Okay, dear students, what. Here full adjective, a consonant, so what a. Full. Okay, then I have to write subject, you, verb are. At the end of the sentence I put here note of exclamation. Okay, dear students, I hope you can easily understand these rules also. Follow this sentence here. Cricket is a very exciting game. Okay, dear students. Okay, dear students, follow this sentence carefully because this sentence is somewhat critical, problematic or troublesome. If you watch this sentence carefully, here there are two parts. One subject and other part predicate. Okay, dear students, if the predicate at the end of the predicate contain noun, here game noun, in this regard we have to start exclamatory sentence with what. Okay, dear students, what. Okay, dear students, a very will be deleted or omit. Here exciting adjective, the first letter of exciting is vowel, so we have to write here n. What an exciting game. Okay, then I have to write subject, cricket. Verb. At the end of the sentence I put here note of exclamation. Okay, dear students, this sentence is very important. Okay, follow, always remember this kind of rules. Okay, dear students, next I am coming to another sentence. Okay, dear students, you are a grateful. Okay, dear students, here great, this word will be deleted. Okay, in place of it, at the beginning of the sentence I have to write what. Okay, dear students, here a great adjective, full noun, so what here, dear students, full. What a full. Then we have to write you, subject, and at the end of this sentence we have to write verb. Okay, dear students, here notice here E vowel, for this reason what N, here F consonant, so we have to write here what A. Okay, dear students, another example. Okay, dear students, he is a very active person. Active person. Okay, dear students, here by following this kind of rule we have to convert it into exclamatory sentence. Here a very will be omitted. At first I have to write here what. This is adjective and the first letter of active vowel. For this reason we have to write what N. Active person. Then I will write subject. He is. Okay, dear students, I hope understood this kinds of rule. Okay, dear students, I am also writing some another sentence. Okay, dear students, I was very sad to hear the pathetic news. Okay, dear students, this statement is assertive and this sentence is two words here also infinitive. Okay, in this critical sentence we can convert into exclamatory sentence. The rule, following the rule 1, here very, in place of very we should write here how. Then adjective, here sad, adjective, how sad. Then I should write subject, here subject I, how sad I. Then verb was. Dear students, now we have to write the rest parts of the sentence here. To hear the pathetic news. Okay, dear students, I hope all of you can easily understand about some rules of how to convert assertive sentence to exclamatory sentence. Okay, dear students, here look at another example. I was very glad to see the sea beach. To see the sea beach. Okay, dear students, here this sentence is very large, but here according to the rule 1 we have to do or convert it into exclamatory sentence. Here very. Okay, so we have to write how. Okay, then I have to write adjective, here glad. Then I have to write subject, here subject I. Verb. Okay, dear students, then I have to write the rest parts of the sentence. Okay, to see the sea beach. Okay, dear students, this kind of sentence is very important. Okay, dear students, here there is also an infinitive. In this regard, we have to maintain this rule. Okay, dear students, I hope you can understand this kind of rules. Okay, dear students, I am coming to another rules, and perhaps this is the last rule. Here, rule 3, I wish. Okay, dear students, here this kind of sentence, subject deserves an unreal imagination. Okay, dear students, in fact it is not possible. For example, I wish I were a bird. Okay, dear students, here I wish I were a bird. In this sentence, subject a desire for an unreal imagination. It is not possible. This kind of sentence can be converted assertive to exclamatory in this rule by following this rule. In place of I wish, we have to write if, had or would that. Okay, dear students, here in place of I wish, I have to write if, then the other part of the sentence we have to write if I were a bird. Okay, dear students, this sentence is assertive, but when in place of I wish, I add if, this sentence turn into exclamatory sentence. Okay, dear students, I am giving you another example. B, I wish I were a rose. Okay, dear student, this sentence, in this sentence, subject also desire or long for or wish an unreal imagination. It is not possible in fact. Okay, dear students, in this regard, we have to convert this assertive sentence according to the third rules. Here, in place of I wish, I can write if or had or would that. Okay, so if I were a rose. Here this sentence is exclamatory sentence. Here at the end of the sentence I put note of exclamation. Okay, dear students, I hope you can understand the 3 rules of to convert exclamatory sentence. Okay, dear students, in next class I will come with another topic. Okay, dear students, no more today. Be safe and sound. Goodbye. Thank everybody.